Hello everyone, I hope y'all are staying safe and doing well. I'm back with another Plan With Me video. I had not uploaded in the last 3 weeks. Actually, my last upload was for the last week of February, and it's crazy to just think that we're already in the pretty much the last days of the month of March. I am planning for the week of March 23rd through March 28th. And for the past couple of weeks, I have actually been using the Pen and Gear sticker book from Walmart, but I missed the Happy Planner sticker books. So I went back and got my Simply Lovely sticker book because that's like absolutely one of my favorite sticker books. This is actually the second one that I've gotten because the other one, it's pretty much been used up for the most part. I mean, there's still some stickers here and there, but I decided to get another one simply because it is simply lovely, just like the name. Anyway, I selected the green and the dark pink. I thought it went well with the light pink and the white. I had actually used washi tape on the top already for the whole planner already, where I covered right next to the heart with the pink, and then the top like to outline it and give it that pop, as well as that weekend section, covered it with washi tape. I thought that I had already completed. Anyway, I was having somewhat of a hard time deciding which stickers to use because I was overwhelmed with how pretty these stickers. Anyway, I have all these other future weeks that I can use up. Anyway, as I'm recording this, I have already made changes to my plans actually, and that's okay, but I'm still here uploading this video, still recording. Right here, I have this section for myself: personal care, stretch, breathing, posture, gratitude, reading. Pretty much personal care means face care routine and wellness routines that I have a paper for, that I have actually written down. Stretching, even if it's for 2 minutes, to get rid of that stiffness. Breathing, to make sure that you're getting enough oxygen, and making sure that I have correct posture. It's easy to slouch throughout the day, and making sure you correct that to have good posture. And then my gratitude, I've actually write a statement towards the end of the day on the monthly part. And unfortunately, my camera was super full and I wasn't able to record everything as I was writing it down. But these are my weekly to-do stuff, mostly focused around chores, completing the QuickBooks course that I'm currently taking, as well as taking care of some of my car things. So that's pretty much my focus for the week. As the week progresses, I move things around, or I cross things off entirely, which now I'm fine with. Instead of being a perfectionist, it's about being productive, making sure that I make the most out of my planner and complete the most important things that I need to do. Anyway, I am so glad you stayed and watched this video. Until next time.